Welcome back to Learning Web Development Through Practice. In the previous video, we had set up a new Laravel project. Now we will learn how Laravel authentication works. We start with the authentication feature because every project begins with login and registration. After authentication installation, we customization the features. So that you can understand the business logic behind authentication, including the Laravel Blade template, controller, routing, middleware, requests, CSRF protection, form validations, email setup, and so on. So we will continue with the same project that we started in the previous video. Let's start. Before starting to implement the authentication feature, you should know what is authentication. And how does it work in real time? I will explain it with an example. Suppose a user login via login form using a web browser. Then this HTTP request is sent to the server. And the server checks whether the user credentials are correct or not. If user credentials are correct, then the server stores this user information in the user's session in the form of a session ID, which is stored on the client side, means the user browser cookies, and also stored on the server side in a database or file. So if the user tries to access data from the same web server, then the server checks the user identity by verifying cookies session ID with server session ID and giving the access to user without re-enter credentials. And if you deleted the session ID from browser cookies, then session is destroyed and you need to re-enter credentials. I hope that makes sense. If so, I'll move on to the next point. Laravel Breeze. It is Laravel package that provides authentication features including login, registration, password reset, email verification, and password confirmation, update profile details, and update the password. Implement authentication Breeze in different ways. 1. By using Breeze and Blade. 2. By using Breeze and Livewire. 3. By using Breeze and React or Vue. 4. By using Breeze and Next.js or API for RESTful API authentication. In an implementation of Blade, Livewire, React, and Vue for front-end UI, we start with Breeze and Blade. Before starting installation, I assume that you have already created the project by following the previous video. Let's start by installing the Breeze package via Composer. First, go to the project root directory and remove the folder path, write cmd and press enter. You can check the attached screenshot. Second, open XAMPP and start Apache and MySQL Server. After that, run the following command in cmd. First, Composer require Laravel Breeze dev. Then please wait for the command to complete. After that, run the second command php artisan breeze install. After running the second command, it will ask for a Breeze stack. So for Breeze and Blade authentication, you can write Blade and press enter. Or for Breeze and Livewire authentication, you can write Livewire and press enter. Or for Breeze and React or Vue authentication, you can write React or Vue and press enter. Or for Breeze and API authentication, you can write API and press enter. After that, it will be asking for would you like dark mode support? Yes, no. Write no and press enter. Then, asking for which testing framework you prefer? Write one and press enter. After that, please wait for the command to complete. After completing the previous process, run the third command npm install. Then run the fourth command npm run dev. After that, you can press Ctrl+C so you can exit from the command and then run fifth command npm run build. If the npm command not working, then download node.js from the official website. and install it on your system. After that, run the sixth command php artisan migrate, which is used to migrate the database. After running the command, you receive the users table. Please check it on localhost/phpMyAdmin. Then run the seventh command php artisan serve. This command starts local development and returns URL. Copy that URL and paste on your browser. After that, you can see the final output, which includes a dashboard featuring both login and registration buttons. It provides features including login, registration, password reset, email verification, password confirmation, updating the profile details, and updating the password. I hope you successfully install the Laravel 11 authentication package using this video. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more content. In the next video, we customize these features so you understand how it works, so stay connected. See you in the next video.